Good morning to everyone. My name is Danavesh. Here the subject critical measurements and instrumentation. The topic is application of DC potentiometer for calibration of voltmeter. Let's dive into the abstract first regarding to the topic. Here the abstract tells us all about the potentiometer can be used to increase the accuracy and the value of potential difference. When we use a potentiometer to check the errors in the observation of voltmeter, it is called the calibration of the voltmeter. A DC potentiometer can be used to measure the current, resistance, and power. If time can be measured, then only one can easily calculate the energy by multiplying the power with the time by the DC potentiometer. The potentiometer is also used for calibration of voltmeter, ammeter, and wattmeter. A DC potentiometer can measure voltage directly and measure resistance, current, power, and temperature indirectly. A DC potentiometer is a potentiometer in which the supply is a battery. The balance is under direct current conditions. Introduction. Here we know that voltage, current, powers are measured in volts, amps, and watts, and voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter are used to measure these parameters. Though these measuring instruments are manufactured with the care, they may still give error readings at the customer end. So these instruments are calibrated to minimize the error. Here, in this article, we will explain how to calibrate voltmeter, ammeter, and wattmeter using the potentiometer. Before going to in detail, let us first discuss the important concept used in this article. If we have two voltage sources of the same value connected in parallel as shown in the below, then there will be no current flow between them. This is because the potential values of both sources are same, and neither of the sources can push charge onto the other. So in the circuit, the galvanometer does not show any deflection. The next slide is discussing all about the potentiometer, calibration of the ammeter, voltmeter using the potentiometer. Where you can see the involvement of rheostat, standard cell, fine adjust, voltage divider, standard resistance, calibration, voltmeter, ammeter. Like these, many of the parts have been involved in the construction of the potentiometer. And same like that of these picture, and then following picture is the all tells about the unknown EMF calculation, and this can be done by applying galvanometer in series with the cell. A slight quantity is being present where it was being measured. Working, let's discuss about the working. First, turn on the power and adjust the resistor to on, allow a current of few hundred milliamperes to flow in the main circuit loop. Because of the conductive scale is also the main loop, same current flows through it, producing a voltage drop. Although the voltage drop appears across the metal scale will be distributed all along its body evenly. After the appearance of voltage drop along the conductive scale, if we take the sliding contact and move along the metal scale from zero, then current flows from secondary circuit to primary circuit because of circuit imbalance, and as the sliding contact moves further away from zero, the magnitude of this current flow decreases. Let's discuss the applications of the potentiometer. In addition to the in addition to the measurement of unknown voltages, the potentiometer can also be used to measure the current and power. It just needs a couple of extra components of for measuring them other than measuring voltage, current, and power. The potentiometer are mainly used for the calibration of the voltmeters, ammeters, and wattmeter. Also, since the potentiometer is a DC device, the instruments to be calibrated must be DC moving iron or alpha dynamometer. Following the applications of potentiometer, here we can see a standard diagram which you can see the wattmeter is present in between these two potentiometers, As mentioned above, an accurate calibration process will use two suitable stable DC voltage power supplies as sources. Usually, low voltage supply is connected in series with the current coil of the voltmeter, and a moderate voltage supply is connected to the potential coil of the voltmeter. A rheostat in the top circuit is used for the adjusting the magnitude of the current flowing through the current coil, and trim pot in the bottom circuit is used for the adjusting the voltage across the potential coil. Do remember that a trim pot is preferred for adjusting the voltage and rheostat is preferred for the adjusting the current in a circuit. At last, the conclusion states that the reading is affected by the stray or external magnetic field. So, in the time of measurement, they must be eliminated or measured, and corresponding correction factor should be introduced. The sources of each AC supply should be free from harmonics because in presence of harmonics, the balance may not be achieved. The AC source should be sinusoidal as possible. Potentiometer circuit should be supplied from the same source as the voltage or current being measured. Translation of AC potentiometer or potentiometer the voltage is read in the form V and theta. That's what all about the application of DC potentiometer for calibration of the voltmeter. Thank you.